Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to FNF channel. Today I'm gonna try to unbox MANTA-RAY. Well, still brand new. Ooh. Black Special. Yep. It's the AR chassis. It has a smoke body. Well, we'll see it inside when we unbox it. Alright? Okay, be back soon. Right. Here we go. Ooh, still brand new. See? Tire, hot tire. Yeah. As usual, grease, normal motor. I don't know if it is a good motor, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use again 2019 Japan Cup, right? And then the chassis, ARJC. Just wish that they got the smoke one, you know, the transparent one. All right, and then the wheel. Wow, looks good. It's a large wheel one. And here come the body, transparent, cool. Right, and then the cover for the chassis, everything inside, for the gear, everything. Okay, then the sticker as well. Well, I'm not gonna put this one on because I'm gonna go for the plain one. It's much better. Okay, alright, we put back in again. Yeah, yo. Right, we back for assembly time. Right, back again. This is the setup. All you have to do, just need to assemble it. See, this one is already front wire. No, front tire actually. The back tire as well. Just put it on, the whole lot. Okay. Okay, where do you go first? You grab the chassis, put in the usual part, the barrier. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and put the gear on. Make it easier. This one. Hold on. No, wrong one. The opposite way. Sorry. Okay. And this one. Go over here. Oh. Over here. This one go over here. What you do is just put the tire inside the wheel actually. Wait, hold on. So yeah, sorry for the malfunction for the from the camera. Yeah, so you just need to put this thing, the shaft and the wheels first, and the gear, make it easier for you, right? Then to that, put the tires on. Wow, it's a bit hard, this one. Wow, still hard. Yo. Things need to be flash it like that. Yo, until it sound like that. Okay. Next part. This one, the last one. There you go. Wow. Not too tight. Just keep it loose, not too tight. Okay. Just like that. It's not too tight. Alright then, back again. So put the 4-wheel drive gear inside. Easy. Right, let me show you again. You put it like that, twist it, and just press it down. Okay, then I'm gonna put this one first, I think. No, leave it there. Put this one first, the terminal. Okay, and this part again. I think it's snap. So you grab the motor. Right. Steer that pressure. Open it. Okay. We're gonna find the gear. Okay. Put the gear inside. Just squeeze it down with your thumb. A bit more. Yeah, just like that. Okay, there. Then you grab the terminal. Just get. Okay. Then put this one in. Right. And you can put the grease on before you flush it down. Okay, again. Then you just close it. This part. Right, then we go this one. Yeah. Zipper inside. And grab this thing. Flush it down. There. Right. Alright, we'll continue from the on and off one. Alright? Okay. So yeah. This is how you put the terminal again. Almost forgot. Then you put the grease on first. Alright. Then what you have to do, this is the hardest part one. Yeah. I think you have to go to the left first. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Just slide it in and just click. There. Done it. Right. Then we give it a wrap. Okay. Give it a test. Run on the, oh, it runs straight away. Oh my god. It's just shocking. Wow. Screaming out loud, baby. Okay. Let me close it for the battery. Easy. Just put it back like that. The position. And just bring it down. Clip. Ready. There. Alright. Alright. Right then we will move on to the body. See how they assemble it. Looks good. Then clip on. It's good. Smoke. Yeah. Alright. Let's continue to the favorite part, which is tuning this car for basic tune. Alright then. Alright. So I'm gonna use the basic tune for this car. I mean, like the 4-wheel drive wheel. See this thing? See? Special part AR chassis. Right? Like this. See? The whole thing. Alright. Okay. Be back again. Oh. So first part is we screw this thing. The bumper, the front bumper first. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure it's the same place. Or if you feel confused, you can have a look in the manual book. Alright. Okay then. Grab the screw for the 2.25 one and put the spring washer first. Okay, right then you put it under here. Okay. Right. Then actually you put the first one, so it's still further. First one. Okay, just like that. Okay, then you put the roller stopper first. Roller stopper, and then put the roller, and then screw the nut. No, where is it fall? Okay, hold on. Speed. Screw it. Okay. And it's just the wrench. Down. Make sure it's tight enough. It's tight already. Then put the spacer in. No. The 12 millimeters one. No. This one. Boom. Okay. Then you grab one of the stabilizer head, which looks like this. Okay. Then it's just twist it around until it go down. Okay. Here we go. It looks like that. Okay, continue on the left one. Alright. So the display will be like this. Left and right. That's good. Alright, continue to the back one. Alright. Next, you put the screw with the spring washer and Put it inside. It's back. Right. Then tap down with the nut. Toss it down. Okay. Yeah. See, just like that. Then you put the weight inside. Then you grab one of the ball or the ball, this ball, then just twist it. So yeah, that's right, like that. And do the same thing on the other side. This side. Alright. Next, after you put the weight both in together like that, you need to screw this one 1, 2, 3, 4, the back bumper. Right? Okay, continue the last one. Just twist it a bit more. So there. Okay, now we do this roller. Right then. Just grab the small one with the washer. Then grab one of the roller. Then grab the spacer. This one. Side. And then grab the small spacer. And then hex nut. Just need to screw it like that. Okay. And then we grab the long one, long screw. Okay. And then we put the washer inside. Oop. It's alright. There. Washer inside. Then put the roller. And put the spacer. No, actually it's not a spacer. This is a roller stopper. Okay, roller stopper. Then put the spacer. The long part one. And then put the nut inside. Like that. Then we grab the back bumper, put it in like that. Wow. Okay, and then you twisted this one on the top. It looks like that. Okay, make sure it just looked like that. It's almost on ground. Okay, so you do the right one, the same thing again. All right, finally finished. See, look like that. Then we test it out with the body on. Yep. Ooh, it's good. Looks good. All we need to do is just test it out in the track. Alright then. Catch you guys later.